Megantereon was a saber-toothed cat roughly the size of a modern jaguar. It lived across Africa and Eurasia alongside early hominids for over 2 million years. Unlike the massive Smilodon you see in museum displays, Megantereon was smaller, faster, and built for ambush. It hunted in dense bush and riverine environments, places where early hominids went to find water. At the Dmanisi site in the Republic of Georgia, one of the oldest known sites of Homo erectus outside Africa, researchers found a hominid skull cataloged as D2280. It is roughly 8 million years old. On the back of the skull, on the occipital bone, there are two distinct oval-shaped puncture wounds. Researchers measured the spacing and the shape, too narrow for the larger saber-toothed cat Homotherium, too oval for a jaguar's conical fangs. The wounds matched one animal, Megantereon. The hominid was found where it fell. It had not been moved far from where the attack happened. This was not scavenging. This was a kill. For over 2 million years, every time your ancestors knelt by a stream to drink, something with 7-inch canines could have been watching from the undergrowth 10 feet away. Then there were the giants that waded in the water. In 2010, researchers working in Tanzania's Olduvai Gorge, one of the most important sites in human evolution, described a new species of extinct crocodile. They named it Crocodylus anthropophagus. The name translates from the Greek as eater of humans. It was not a metaphor. This crocodile lived approximately 1.84 million years ago, in the same landscape as Homo habilis and Australopithecus boisei. It reached lengths of up to 19 feet. It had prominent bony horns above its ears and jaws designed for ambush. The same hunting strategy used by every crocodile alive today. Hide underwater, wait, strike when something comes to drink. Paleontologists found hominid bones at Olduvai bearing distinctive crocodile bite marks. The marks were not from tools. They were not from other hominids. They were from something that had grabbed a human ancestor by the limb and pulled it into the water. And Olduvai was not the only place. In 2026, a team led by the University of Iowa described another extinct crocodile from the Hadar Formation, Ethiopia. They named it Crocodylus lucivinator, Lucy's hunter. It lived between 4 and 3 million years ago in the same shrublands and river systems as Australopithecus afarensis, the species that produced the most famous fossil skeleton in the world. It reached 12 to 15 feet in length and weighed up to 300 pounds. Researchers called it the dominant apex predator in that ecosystem, more dangerous to early hominids than lions or hyenas. There is no direct fossil of this crocodile killing Lucy herself. But scientists describe the probability as a near certainty that it preyed on her species. Your ancestors needed water every single day, and every single day, the thing that could kill them fastest was